Is your wallet feeling lighter despite working harder? Here's something you probably never considered. Your home might be secretly sabotaging your wealth. After advising dozens of homeowners on Feng Shui, I've noticed the same 10 layout issues that quietly drain money from your life right now. Surprisingly, you're likely making at least 3 of these errors without even knowing it. Stick around. Fix just 3 of these mistakes, and you could feel a real shift in your finances and home atmosphere. Let's start by examining how your home's entry points might be creating an invisible leak in your prosperity. Front door facing back door. The first money leak often happens right at your doorway. Take a look at your home layout. When your front door lines up directly with your back door, you've got what Feng Shui experts call an energy tunnel. This straight line arrangement creates a real problem. All that good energy and wealth opportunity rushes through your home without stopping. It's like filling a bucket with a leak. Money comes in and goes right back out. In traditional Feng Shui, this is called the piercing heart effect because it cuts through your home's energy center. The fix is simple. Break the straight line. Place a round pedestal table with a leafy plant between the doors. Hang a crystal, or add a wooden screen that forces energy to move in a zigzag pattern. This slows down the flow, giving your home time to absorb prosperity. But even with perfect door alignment, there's another common problem that might be blocking wealth at your threshold: cluttered entryway. That clutter by your front door is the second major wealth blocker. Take a look at your entryway right now. Is it filled with shoes, coats, bags, and random stuff? That pile isn't just messy. It's actually blocking money from entering your life. In Feng Shui, your entryway represents how opportunities come to you. A cluttered entrance creates an immediate energy blockage. It's like telling the universe no thanks to new financial possibilities. When you have to step over shoes and squeeze past coats, you're creating a physical barrier to wealth. Clutter adds tension and distracts you the moment you step inside. The solution is simple. Clear everything that doesn't need to be there. Keep only essential items neatly organized. Add a small bowl for receiving abundance. A clear, welcoming entryway invites both guests and opportunity. Once money can freely enter your home, we need to consider how it flows through your living spaces. Dining table aligned with entryway. Let's look at how your furniture arrangement affects wealth flow. Having your dining table directly in line with your front door might seem like a good use of space, but it's actually messing with your money flow. When your table sits in the direct path of the door's energy, it creates an uncomfortable eating space. Your dining table should feel like a sanctuary for enjoying what you've earned. When it's positioned in the door's path, meals feel rushed and conversations get interrupted. In Feng Shui, your dining area should be a protected space where family gathers without disruption. The fix is simple. Move your table so it's not aligned with the entryway. If that's not possible, add a tall potted plant or lightweight folding screen as a buffer between them. With your entry open and dining space protected, let's move to the bedroom, where another common mistake might be affecting your rest and financial well-being. Mirror facing the bed. Your bedroom mirror placement could be the 5th wealth-draining mistake. That mirror facing your bed might be doing more than showing your bedhead in the morning. It could actually be creating restless energy in your sleep space. Mirrors are energy amplifiers in Feng Shui. When placed directly across from your bed, they bounce your energy back and forth all night. This keeps you in a state of alertness when you should be resting deeply. Poor sleep makes tough money calls harder. When you can't properly rest, your earning potential suffers. The fix is simple. Cover or turn the mirror away each night for immediate calm. Many people notice better sleep immediately after making this single change. But there's another bed position that might be making you financially vulnerable without you realizing it. Bed under a window. Let's look at where you place your bed. Is it positioned right under a window? This setup might seem fine, but it's actually creating a feeling of vulnerability that extends to your money situation. In Feng Shui, windows are openings where energy flows in and out. When you sleep under a window, there's no solid support behind your head. This creates a sense of instability that affects your rest. Feng Shui calls for solid backing for stability. Move your bed to a full wall. The fix is simple. Move your bed against a solid wall. If you can't move it, use a solid headboard that extends above the windowsill and add heavy curtains for protection. Check your bedroom now. Does your bed sit under a window? If yes, this change could improve your rest and confidence. While these bedroom issues affect your energy, there's something else in your home that might be literally washing your money away. Leaky faucets or running toilets. Those dripping faucets in your bathroom and kitchen aren't just annoying, they're actually draining your wealth energy. Look around your home. Do you have any leaks you've been putting off fixing? Water equals wealth in Feng Shui, so leaks signal loss. Every drop represents money slipping away. That constant dripping creates an atmosphere of loss that affects your entire relationship with money. Here's the quick fix. Call a plumber or grab a DIY wrench. Fixing leaks also cuts utility bills, so it pays in two ways. When you repair water issues, you're telling the universe you value resources and don't allow wealth to drain away needlessly. Now that we've stopped the leaks, there's a specific area of your home that deserves special attention for attracting prosperity. Clutter in the wealth corner. Let's talk about a special area in your home that has a direct connection to your financial energy. Stand at your front door and look to the far left corner. That's your wealth zone. When this area is cluttered, you're literally blocking money from coming to you. Many people use this powerful spot for storage or let it become a dumping ground. This creates stagnant energy exactly where you want abundance to flow. It's like putting a dam in your prosperity river. The wealth corner connects to abundance and opportunities. When this spot is clear, you signal you're ready to receive. The fix is simple. Locate your wealth corner, then clear everything out. Activate this area with a small jade plant or a purple crystal bowl. This simple change can open new financial pathways. But there's something else in your home that might be silently blocking your prosperity: broken or unused items. Look around your home. Those broken items you've been meaning to fix are actually energy blockers. That clock that stopped working, the chair with the wobbly leg, or those chipped dishes you never use are like putting traffic cones on prosperity's path. In Feng Shui, broken objects represent broken promises and stalled energy. When you surround yourself with things that don't work properly, you're unconsciously telling the universe you're okay with dysfunction in your financial life too. Unused objects create stagnant energy too. Those exercise machines or kitchen gadgets gathering dust represent wasted potential and resources where prosperity can't circulate. The fix is simple: repair, replace, or remove broken items. If it's gathered dust for months, consider donating or selling. Pick one room today and clear out at least 5 broken or unused items. Feel the mental shift immediately. While broken items block prosperity, there's another living element in your home that might be actively draining your financial vitality: dead plants or wilted flowers. Those lifeless plants on your windowsill are silently affecting your prosperity. Living plants represent growth and vitality, qualities essential for creating wealth. Dead plants represent the opposite: decay and diminishing resources. Wilted plants send a signal of decay. Plants are powerful Feng Shui tools because they contain active life force. They clean the air and add oxygen. When they die, they begin to drain your home's energy instead of adding to it. Remove any dead plants immediately. If you struggle with plant care, opt for snake plants. They thrive on neglect. If you can't maintain live plants, remove wilted ones entirely. While we've covered many prosperity blockers, there's one more surprising feng shui mistake that might be actively sending your wealth down the drain: toilet facing the front door. The final prosperity blocker might surprise you. It's your bathroom placement. If your toilet is visible from your front door, you could be literally flushing your wealth away before it has a chance to settle in your home. In Feng Shui, toilets represent places where energy leaves your home. A toilet in view from the front door flushes away good fortune. Many modern homes have bathrooms near the entryway for convenience, but this creates a direct path for prosperity to enter and immediately exit. Your front door is the mouth of qi, where good energy enters. When wealth energy immediately encounters a toilet, it gets symbolically flushed away. Close the bathroom door or place a screen or mirror outside to turn incoming energy back. Those are the 10 quick tweaks. Let's wrap up how to get started. You've now discovered all 10 feng shui wealth blockers hiding in your home. The good news is that every single one has a simple, affordable fix. True feng shui is about creating a space that feels supportive. When your environment works with you instead of against you, prosperity flows more naturally. Pick the 3 mistakes you spotted, fix them this weekend, and share your before and after in the comments. I'd love to hear what changes you notice in how your home feels. Your environment shapes your experience, so why not shape it to welcome abundance? If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more home transforming tips.